I was addicted to my phone. One more video. But it kept going on and on and on. It had to stop. I tried deleting the apps, making it harder to get to, throwing it away. But nothing seemed to work for me. Until I realized I needed to stop consuming and start creating. I learned woodworking and made this bench, and this temple, and this monitor riser. Made tons of mistakes and learned from them. Like a wise dog once said,
Dude, sucking at something is the first step towards being sorta good at something.
I kept on. I was having fun. I was learning. My brain was engaged. It was addicting. Ideas started flowing. I got more creative. Made this art. And this one. I could not stop. Hours turned to days, days to months. Built this side table. Feeling of seeing and interacting with something I imagined and built come to life was second to none. I had figured it out. There was one problem though. I live in an apartment, and this was messy. I needed to find an alternative, something that was more apartment friendly. So I bought this 3D printer. With no constraints anymore, ideas exploded. Ability to turn ideas into products in my living room blew my mind. Needed a nursery to germinate seeds? Done. Play my favorite games on the go? Done. Better way to record these videos? Done. I got more ambitious. What if a lamp could grow plants? You guessed it. Done. Going from idea to design to final product in a matter of weeks is absolutely mind-blowing. It was not just about making things. It was also making things to make more things. For example, I needed to chamfer these corners without a router. Made this jig to do it. Make sure angles on this three-way join are perfect. Done. Even made these jigs to make sharpening the chisels more efficient. I finally figured it out. Now it's your turn. Go do that sketch, the pottery, the sewing, the idea that has been brewing for a while. You don't want that cheap dopamine. You deserve the real thing, and you can earn it by putting aside that damn phone.